This is the top notch of Braun Nizo Super 8 cameras. This is the Nizo S800 in incredible functional condition. Yes, there are some scratches here and there, as you can see, but the overall condition of the camera is just great. So let's try it out. In order to get it working, you need to get the battery holder out. This battery holder is as new as well. As you can see, very clean lid and holder as well. On the side there are some instructions. You need to follow them, otherwise the camera is not gonna be working. Okay, put the lid in, hold well, hold tight, and then spin them too. Put the battery in the battery holder, close it. So 18 frames per second, 24 and 54. Single frame. Timer. Lens. Automatic zoom works very well, as you can see. Incredibly clean lens. As you can see, this is, as said, the professional line of Super 8 cameras from Braun. This is just incredible. This is the best of the best, and as well as working very well manual zoom. Okay, let's try it out. So we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin. So if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. That's an old school Kodachrome 40, or so-called K40. So we mark it, put it in, close the lid, and then shoot. Let's check it out. As you can see, straight film, no mark there anymore, meaning that the film gate and the motor of the camera work together very well. The camera is in absolute outstanding condition, functionally. As you can see, extremely clean as well. Light meter works very well. Incredibly clean lens with both manual and automatic zoom working very smoothly. So one thing to say is, do enjoy your brand new Super 8 camera.